Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao Side Out. I am Kakao Kunani. I'm going to do a video reading this time naman po for Taurus. This is going to be general forecast sa finances, a love life for Taurus singles and Taurus in a relationship. So there, this is a general reading, so kung hindi po nagre-resonate, please do not take the message. For personal readings, just check the description box below. Andyan po yung Facebook link ko, yung link ng Facebook page ko. And sa mga nagtatanong po if I'm going to do a live reading, yung merong nag-suggest ng Q&A, I'm going to do that once I hit 1,000 subscribers po. Promise. And then I'm going to post it on my Facebook page kung kailan. Kasi I have to make sure na walang disturbo, walang bigla ang bisita na, well, syempre, live, hindi tayo makakapag-post ng video. So, we'll see. Anyway, for the people who click the thumbs up sa mga videos ko, maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment. If may suggestion po kayo na topic for video readings, yung choose a number readings, please post it, comment down below. And make sure na yung topic nyo is, maraming nakaka-relate para mas maganda. Anyway, let's proceed. This is for Taurus, April 2019 financial situation forecast. Any messages, please, for Taurus regarding their finances for April 2019? Any messages, please? Okay, Five of Swords reversed. So, meron ka ng kinot off or hiniwalayan na business partner perhaps, or pinutol ng ugnayan with someone na konektado sa sa finances mo. So that's the current situation. So pwedeng ito yung may nangyaring mind games, may nangyaring competition, tapos may nandaya, may ibang pananaw sa pananaw mo. So kinailangan mong lumayo, kinailangan mong putulin yung ugnayan mo sa taong yon, kaya may pwedeng pwedeng nakakasira siya sa financial situation mo, or there is a possibility rin na vice versa, ikaw nakakasira sa financial situation niya, na kailangan yung magkahiwalay, kailangan yung mawala ng ugnayan sa isa't isa to settle your differences, or maybe just to move on with your own life na hindi na magkasama. And major issue yung dalawa is yung pera. And for the advice, Knight of Wands. So you need to socialize more. You need to reconnect with people na maraming kakilala. Maybe after nitong breakup na to, after nitong pagputol mo ng relationship mo with this person, maybe pagkatapos nun nagmukmuk ka, nag-soul search ka, hindi ka masyadong lumalabas, hindi ka masyadong nakikipag-socialize. So the advice now is to go out, have fun, socialize, meet new people, meet with old friends and acquaintances, kasi baka mayroong silang friend of a friend of a friend na may maibibigay na malaking advantage sa'yo, especially sa finances mo. And the outcome is the Fool reversed. So maybe there is something sa financial situation mo na kailangan mong i-double check, or siguro hindi mo fino-focus masyado or binabaliwala mo ng matagal na, tapos kailangan mong mag-reality check. Siguro merong papalugi ng negosyo, meron ng mga tauhan na kailangan ng i-reprimand, or may mga duda ka sa handling ng finances mo, Taurus, na parang takot ka man na may madiskubre kang makakasakit sa'yo, especially emotionally or sa budget mo. Maybe you need to face them all together para masettle na rin. Para hindi ka na rin yung ano, yung nangangapa ka kung isang kabalulugar, ano ba gagawin mo and all that. So, yun, reality check. Take a look at your situation. Maybe merong kailangang isettle na binabaliwala mo lang dati. So, there. That's for you, Taurus finances. Just a moment. And now, for um, for singles, Taurus singles, um, love forecast for Taurus singles. Just a moment. Ayaw. Ay, nako. Temper. For Taurus singles, let's see. Any messages for Taurus singles regarding their love life? This one wants to come out. Tower card reversed. So there must be some realization na gumuho mundo mo dati. Kasi past na, reverse na eh. So, siguro may mga bagay-bagay sa pagiging single mo na, magpupush sa'yo to look for a romantic prospect. Maybe may natuklasan kang hindi ka tanggap-tanggap pero in a way, blessing in disguise na rin. Na parang buti na lang nangyari na rin para may magkaroon ng change or para may mangyari namang iba sa situation mo, especially sa love life. So, let's see anong magandang gawin regarding this realization. Any advice, please, for Taurus regarding their love life? This card wants to come out. Ooh, Page of Pentacles. Right away, nung nakita ko yung Page of Pentacles, ang pumasok sa kokote ko is baby. So, maybe this tower moment, for some reason, ang pumasok sa isip ko is maybe you're being advised na kailangan mo na magka-baby or kailangan mo nang magkaroon ng pamilya as a whole. Pwede ring Page of Pentacles message regarding money, pwede rin yun. So maybe may natanggap kang mensahe about a specific source of income or financial issue na hindi mo inakalang nag-collapse na pala. Na parang kailangan mong kumpasan o kailangan mong mag-isip ng mabilisan kung anong gagawin mo, paano mo i-settle yun. Pwede rin sa pamamahay to. Pero this is a love reading, so let's concentrate lang sa romantic prospect. Sorry, na-distract ako. So if this has got something to do with love, maybe you're going to receive a message from someone na yung bagong-bago pa lang yung feelings, yung parang nangangapa pa rin siya kung worthy ka ba ng time and effort niya or worthy ka ba ng affection niya. So what you need to do about that is to erase that. Third card na lumabas, Nine of Cups. The Tower card, so if this is regarding romance, ito yung yung tower, ang na-picture out ko na nire-represent ng tower is yung reserve mo, Taurus. Yung kunwari hindi ka in love, kunwari wala kang feelings, kunwari wala kang nararamdaman, kunwari cool ka lang, hindi ako hindi ako apektado emotionally. Tapos na-realize mong apektado ka pala, na mahal mo pala, na parang guguho mundo mo kung mawawala siya. Parang ganun yung corny naman. Parang ganun yung napipicture out ko with um, the tower reversed. So, parang na-realize mo na, oy, siya pala yun. Siya pala yung gusto mong makasama. Parang gusto mo ng relationship with this person. So, what you need to do is baby steps. Offer a message or express your feelings, or in this way siguro merong kasi pentacles of tangible material, or pera or tulong na magagamit. So in this case, maybe ang ina-advise sa'yo, Taurus, is to gradually magparamdam ka na. Parang send flowers, send chocolates. Kung babae ka, be there. Maybe you need to show up sa mga emergencies to show na you care, or pwede ring gradually makikipag-close ka sa family, sa friends. Yung parang magpahiwatig ka na. Yun yung yun yung advice. So kung lalaki, maybe you need to give out, hints and clues na, ganito gusto kong mangyari. And possibly a message. So love letter, kung trip mo yun. Or a text message, may a phone call perhaps. Na, yun nga, parang bibigay ka na ng hint na, ito na-realize ko na, oo na. I can't live without you. Churva. Tapos, ang ang result is Nine of Pentacles, fulfillment ng wish. So, yun. Do I need to say more? Bottom of the deck, Ten of Wands upright. So, yung mga dinadalang bigat sa dibdib. Dibdib. Ayun. Masisettle na yun. Tapos, yun nga, may wish fulfillment na. All you need to do is just give out a hint that you love the person, or you want to have a relationship with whoever it is that you have in mind. So there. That's for you, Taurus singles. And let's proceed to Taurus in a relationship. For April 2019, please, any messages for Taurus in a relationship regarding love? So let me see. 2, 3. Okay, walang lumabas na card. Let's cut the deck and choose top of the deck. So, current situation ni partner mo, Taurus, how he or she perceives your partnership is a Pentacles. So, simulan. Parang may kailangang, simulan. Or maybe, nagsisimula kayo ulit. Pwedeng new relationship to, or pwedeng merong issue na stagnant dati na na-settle na, tapos nagkaroon na ng compromise, you're starting again. So, that's how your partner sees your relationship right now. Tapos ito naman, on your part, is Five of Wands reversed. Ito yung yung ina-acknowledge mo na may mahirap, pero hindi ka sumusuko. So, if Five of Wands upright is na-enjoy mo yung challenges, reversed is napapaghinaan ka na ng loob. Pero yun, ang view naman ni partner mo is it's something that you should start again. You should have a refresh sa relationship. So maybe it's something na mahirap sa'yo, Taurus, pero kay partner mo parang okay lang. Simulan na lang natin ulit. Kaya to, parang ganun. So, what are you and your partners thinking regarding this situation? So, kay partner mo, Nine of Cups upright. So, maybe itong restart na to, after ng compromise, after ng masinsinang pag-uusap, this is something that your partner really wants. Or maybe this is something na pinupunteriya talagang mangyayari sa ni partner mo dati pa. Tapos ngayon, parang iniisip niya na parang at last, natupad na rin, pumayag siya na ganito, magre-restart kami, sisimulan namin ulit. So, kung ano man tong sinimulan niyo ulit. And on your part naman, Taurus is Tower reversed. So, on your part, parang after nung compromise, siguro meron kang na-realize na siguro tama siya. Siguro for a long time, masyado kang matigas ang ulo mo. Siyempre, Taurus ka. Tapos all of a sudden, nag-give in ka na lang sa compromise ni partner. Tapos, na-realize mong okay pala. So, next set of cards, what you and your partner are going to do about this situation. So, kay partner mo is Knight of Wands. So, this is something, kasi nga may na-fulfill siyang wish. So, siguro merong something na hindi mo pinapayagang dati mangyari. Tapos nagkaroon ng compromise, nag-start kayo ulit, na this time yung restart, resulta ng compromise, tapos parang ginanahan siya kasi wish niya naman talaga dapat na ganun, dati pa. So, expect your partner, Taurus, to be spreading the word to his or her friends. So, parang, oy, pinayagan ako ni Taurus. Or supportado na ako ni Taurus ngayon. So, ang maganda dito, Taurus, is relax na siya, si partner. Masaya na siya kasi Knight of Wands is yung keber na wala, no worries na approach sa life. There is a big possibility, Taurus, na you will gain the positive opinions of your partner's friends and family. Kung sino man tong nasa social circle niya na tatalakan niya na at last pinayagan ako ni Taurus, at last nakipag-compromise na sa akin si Taurus. Then, maybe yung mga dating ayaw sa'yo, kasi ang tigas ng ulo mo, then all of a sudden, okay na. So, yun ang magiging advantage sa'yo. Anyway, on your part, ito na, parang out of this compromise, meron ka ring mamamanifest na magic mo on your own. So, maybe dahil pinayagan mo siya or merong some sort of a compromise na nagpasaya kay partner, maybe meron ka ring gustong gawin on your own, a personal goal perhaps, na isusuportahan niya rin in return. So, this is good. And ang mutual goal nyo is 5 of Cups reversed. So, maybe meron siyang give up na ayaw niyang i-give up for the sake of the compromise and vice versa. So, meron mang sadness within the compromise na parang kailangan niyang i-give up yung gusto niya to make way for what you want, and you have to give up something na gusto mo sanang i-retain to give way for what he or she wants. But 5 of Cups reversed is an indication na there may be sadness, pero may something na magko-compensate sa sadness. Parang, okay, pinakawalan ko nga to, pero masaya naman siya. Or, okay, pinakawalan ko naman to, pero in return, suportado niya yung isa ko pang gusto. So, parang yun ang nagiging, parang overall situation yung dalawa. And now, advice naman. For partner ni Taurus. Advice please for Taurus' partner. 1, 2. Okay. So, kailangan niyang tutukan ni partner mo is Page of Cups. So, pwedeng baby, pwedeng artistic talent na gustong gawing business, pwede ring examination training, studies na magte-take ng time, magte-take ng effort. So, maybe this is something na gustong balikan ni partner mo, Taurus, pinayagan mo. So, expect na si partner, tututukan niya talaga yan. And, anong dapat niyang itanim sa kokote niya, si partner, is 5 of Swords reversed. So, yung mga dati ng issue na nag-trigger ng mind games, ng arguments, ng differences, ng kanigahan, dapat niyang siguraduhin hindi na makakaapekto sa kung ano mang gagawin niya ulit. And what he or she needs to do is the world upright. So, tapusin niya na yung dapat niyang tapusin. Huwag niya nang balikan yung hindi naman nakakatulong, especially sa relationship niyo. Yun yung advice. Para merong transition ng situation niyo. Para may magbago naman or may dumating naman na panibagong may bagay sa situation niyo or sa relationship niyo. And now, advice naman sa'yo, Taurus, regarding this partnership. Okay. 10 of Pentacles. So, you have to concentrate on building your pentacles or earning your money, establishing something na magtatagal. Or if merong pinamana sa'yo na negosyo or pinapaalagaan sa'yo na matagal lang nasa pamilya. So, yun ang tutukan mong asikasuhin. Parang dahil expected ka to take care of it and you're a Taurus, you love to preserve oldies, antiques. You love to make sure that kung ano mang pinamana sa'yo, tatagal na tatagal hanggat ikaw ang nag-aasikaso or ikaw ang nag-aalaga. So, yun ang ina-advise na tutukan mo. If there is something na you would like to start building in order for the next generation of your family na mamana nila or papamana mo, then go for it. And now, ang dapat mong ilagay sa kokote mo is 10 of Cups reversed. So, parang nagme-mirror lang siya sa 5 of Swords ni partner. So, kung si 5 of Swords, si partner mo, he or she needs to let go of the people or situation na nagbibigay lang ng argument within the partnership. Hindi nakakatulong, nega lang. Ikaw naman, you need to let go of the people na andyan lang pag may kailangan. Naaalala ka lang pag kailangan ka. Naaalala ka lang kapag may pabor na hihingin, mangungutang, or manghihiram ng kung ano-ano. And make sure na lahat ng effort mo na kukuha mo yung deserve mong treatment after mong magbigay. So, parang kung dati ikaw na lang palagi sumasalo ng bayarin, bilihin, all of that, parang this is an indication na make sure na kapag ikaw naman ang may kailangan, meron kang mapapala. Parang kay partner mo rin. Kung merong ibang tao na ibang pananaw sa buhay nila na hindi swak sa pananaw niya sa buhay niya, then let go. And I'm sensing this is a person or a group of people na external or yung hindi kasali sa situation or sa relationship nyo. Maybe maraming taong nakikisawsaw sa relationship mo, Taurus, with this person. Tapos kailangang i-let go na ni partner mo yung connection niya doon, lalo na kung mga mema lang, wala namang naitutulong, wala namang solusyon na binibigay sa issue na pinagtatatalakan nila. And on your part, maybe merong outside sa relationship nyo ng partner mo na parang kahit hindi mo naman obligasyon, nagpo-provide ka pa rin or andyan ka pa rin kahit hindi mo problema. So maybe this time she needs to cut out those external influences na hindi nakakatulong sa relationship nyo. And you, Taurus, you need to let go of those people na namimihasa lang all because generous ka. So there. What you need to do about this is okay, Three of Swords. So let go of the heartache, the rejection. So maybe after mong siguraduhin na patas yung give and take mo with these people outside the relationship, maybe merong aalis, merong i-reject ka, merong magbe-break ang heart mo or because hindi na nila nakukuha yung gusto nilang kunin sa'yo just like before. So, masakit man, you have to move on. Especially if you're a married couple na, tapos parang ang dami pa rin nanghihingi na hindi na sana kasali sa budget yung mag-asawa. Let go. May asawa ka na eh. And same rin kay partner kung merong opinion yung mga tao outside the marriage na hindi naman nakakatulong para magtagal yung relationship na imbis na i-aim nila na magtagal kayo parang pinaghihiwalay pa kayo, then your partner needs to let go of those people. So nagme-mirror lang. Okay, and now for possible outcome, if you're going to do as advised, Hangman reverse. Pag Hangman upright, meron kang gustong gawin, hindi mo magawa, hindi swak sa sitwasyon, wala ka pang materyales, hindi ka suportado, wala kang paglalagyan, wala kang pagtatayuan, pero reverse na. So, ano man yung mga hindi nyo nagagawa dati, and I'm sensing that this has got something to do with money. Maybe, merong, or sa partner mo, pwedeng sa something na gusto niyang pag-aralan, gusto niyang simulan. Maybe gustong bumalik sa school ni partner tapos hindi makapag-concentrate doon kasi merong someone external sa relationship nyo na gusto na kung aral-aral, kung ikaw ang pipiliin niya, Taurus, ikaw lang. Na kung tutuusin, pwede namang pagsabayin yung aral at yung relationship nyo. So, if si partner ika-cut off niya yung connection niya dun sa mga nanggugulo lang, there's a possibility na kaya niyang pagsabayin yung relationship nyo and yung pag-aaral na gusto niyang balikan. Sample lang yun. And sa part mo naman, I'm sensing na itong Hangman reverse na to. Finally, may magagawa ka na regarding your relationship. So in this case, ang issue mo naman is yung provisions or efforts na hindi mo nakukuha in return. Yung parang yung deserve mong credit, hindi mo nakukuha in return. So if you're going to cut off your connection with those people na hingi lang ng hingi or ikaw ang nagpapagod pero sila ang may nahihita. If you're going to cut them off, there is something about maybe your budget or the results of your work na ikaw na ang guan. Ikaw na ang pasensya Bisaya. Ikaw na ang kumbaga aani nung tinanim mo. So if this is money, there's a big possibility, Taurus, na if you're going to cut off your connection with those people na andyan lang kapag kailangan ka pero pag ikaw na may kailangan hindi ka pinapansin, there's a big possibility na yung pera mo may enjoy mo na, or kung work related man, or if there is something about the connected sa relationship, maybe this time yung time mo, yung effort mo doon na lang talaga kay partner. Wala na kayong pag-aawayan kasi doon ka na naman nagbibigay ng oras, doon ka na naman nagbibigay ng effort, ng money. So there's a big possibility na mas makakapag-concentrate ka sa relationship. Now, for the Hangman, second possible outcome, what you're going to do is advised. Okay, this card wants to come up. Oh, Eight of Pentacles. So, yun nga, parang Eight of Pentacles is working hard for something. So, pwedeng kay partner mo, ang magiging outcome sa kanya if he or she is going to do as advice is yung pinagpapagura niya. Parang Ten of Cups reversed lang. Yung pinagpapagura niya sa kanya lang talaga yung credit and pati na rin sa'yo. Kung ano man itong pinag-e-effortan mo, na doon ka na lang magko-concentrate, makukuha mo kung ano yung dapat mong makuha. And a final outcome for this connection, if you're going to do as advised, is Page of Swords. So, merong childlike na happiness, childlike na na approach sa relationship. Yung parang pag Page of Swords upright, ito yung yung alam niya responsibilidad niya, pero yung approach niya is hindi siya masyadong seryoso. Yung parang nakikita niya pa rin yung magagandang bagay about sa relationship or about sa situation niya. Tapos parang mas nakakapag-isip siya ng maayos. So in this case, baka if you're going to do as advised, mas makakapag-focus kayo sa relationship, mas ma-appreciate nyo ang isa't isa, mas magkakaroon ng energetic, childlike energy between the connection, and both of you are going to rekindle yung mga or revamp kung ano mang boring sa relationship nyo ngayon. So there. That's a good read. Anyway, if you like that video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you have any suggestions as to topic ng magandang video reading, yung choose a number video readings, please comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kakao. And if you're a subscriber, maraming salamat po. At hindi kayo nagsasawa sa pagmumukha ko. Anyway, I guess that'll be all, and I will proceed to a Tagalog choose a number reading, and then Gemini, and then another choose a number reading, and Cancer, until ang last ngayon is Scorpio, kasi ang pinakauna for April is Sagittarius, so Scorpio. So there, that'll be all, and hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice one.